दरिया भी मैं, दरख्त भी मैं, झेलम भी मैं, चनार भी मैं, दैर हूँ, हरम भी हूँ, शिया भी हूँ, सुन्नी भी हूँ। मैं हूँ पंडित, मैं था, मैं हूँ और मैं ही रहूंगा।
क्या सर, जाने दिया आपने?
अबे मोहब्बत है इसलिए जाने दिया। जिद होती तो बाहों में होती।
29th April 2020, day 15th of the second phase of the lockdown. The time when people are already devised regarding the coronavirus pandemic. Suddenly in the morning, the past day news of the famous Indian actor Irfan Ali Khan hit like an ominous cloud in the sky. There is nothing left to say for one of our favorite actors in the Indian film industry. This pathetic incident reminds us death is not the opposite of life, but a part of it. I am Deep, and here is the small tribute from the Roy Factory YouTube channel to our great icon. Sahabzadeh Irfan Ali Khan was born on 7th of January 1967 at the Pink City, Jaipur, Rajasthan, in India. He belonged to a Muslim family. His mother, late Saeed Begum Khan, and father, late Jagirdar Khan, was in a tire business. Since childhood, Irfan was a boy with a calm and polite nature. Many people don't know about the fact that Khan was a very good cricket player. Irfan and his best friend Satish played lots of cricket together. At that period of time, Irfan got selected for the CK Naidu tournament. He also got enlisted for the emerging player under 23 years. That was a stepping stone to first class cricket in India. But unfortunately, he couldn't make it for the lack of funds. But Alexander Graham Bell once said, when one door closes, another opens. That's what happened for Irfan Khan. He got a chance to join National School of Drama in New Delhi after completing MA in Jaipur. This was his first step to study acting and follow the dream to be an actor. Later, Khan moved in Mumbai and made his film debut with a short role in award-winning movie Salam Bombay in the year 1988. But his role in the movie was small, so he couldn't make an impact in the eye of the directors. On the other side, in late 1980s, where he was not getting citable roles for movies, he engaged himself working in numerous television series like Chanakya, Bharat Ek Khoj, Chandrakant, Srikant, Sparsh, Bombay Blues, and many more. He played the main villain character in serial series Dar on Star Plus. He also worked in the drama film Kamla Ki Maut, directed by Vasu Chatterjee in 1989. Between those events, on the date of 23rd February 1995, Irfan got married with screenplay writer Shrutopa Shikdar. They knew each other from the time of their acting classes in National School of Drama, New Delhi. At one side, Khan's personal life was getting cheerful. On the other hand, he was not getting proper roles in movies. But he was not a man with an incomplete missions. After long 12 years of struggle in movies, he came back with a film named The Warrior, directed by Asif Kapadia. He was in the lead role in this movie, and later he managed his breakthrough with starring roles in drama films like Hasil and Makbul in the year 2003 and 2004. He got the Filmfare Best Villain Award in 2004 for the negative role in Hasil. From that point, there was no way of return for Irfan Khan. He got respected roles in notable movies like The Namesake in 2006, Life in a Metro 2007, Pan Singh Tomar 2011, and Billu. Khan received Filmfare Best Supporting Actor Award for the film Life in a Metro. Pan Singh Tomar was a landmark film in Khan's acting career. This movie was directed by Tigmanshu Dhulia and it bagged the Best Feature Film in the 60th National Film Award ceremony, and Irfan Khan won the Best Actor award for it. He played the leading role as the rebel Pan Singh Tomar. Only in India, Pan Singh Tomar grabbed a whopping 201.8 million rupees income from the box office. Later that, he made huge success from his stunning roles in the movie like The Lunchbox, Piku and Talwar. He also got attention for the movies like Chocolate, Jazba, Gunde and Madari. But Ritesh Batra's The Lunchbox was a super hit box office success in the year 2013. In September 2015, he was also appointed as the brand ambassador for a campaign by the state government of Rajasthan. Later after that, another huge landmark of his acting career was when he won the Filmfare Award for the Best Actor regarding the comedy drama film Hindi Medium in 2017. Some of his notable Hollywood appearances were in movies like Slamdog Millionaire, The Amazing Spider-Man, Life of Pi, Inferno, Puzzle, Jurassic Park, A Almighty Heart, and many more. As a special notation, in the year 2011, he got a Padma Shri in the arts category, which is the fourth highest civilian award in the Republic of India. As the total count, he took part more than in 80 movies and more than 20 television series in his acting career. But life is like a seesaw. In the year of 2018, when he is on the peak of his acting career, he revealed via Twitter that he had been diagnosed with neuroendocrine tumor. Till February 2019, he was under treatment in UK, fighting bravely for his life. In the last of February that year, he returned India to complete his shooting for his upcoming film Angrezi Medium. At that time, everyone thought that he got cured from his illness. But on 28th April 2020, 3 days after his mother's death, he got admitted to Mumbai's Kokilabehan Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. He didn't even get a chance to be a part of his mother's funeral for the lockdown situation. Then he started receiving treatment for colon infection. On 29th April 2020, in the morning, the brave heart passed away. He was 53 years of age at the time of passing. Irfan Khan was a gem in the film industry whose contribution value was beyond price. His death reminds us the famous lines of American editor Horace, "I shall not wholly die, and a great part of me will escape the grave." Those great films and the masterpiece actings will be with us like the great part that escapes from the grave. All of my respect for Sir Irfan Khan and hope for his soul rests in peace. And there are some great lines said by the man himself before going into deep sleep.
हेलो भाइयों बहनों, नमस्कार। मैं इरफान। मैं आज आपके साथ हूं भी और नहीं भी। खैर, ये फिल्म अंग्रेजी मीडियम मेरे लिए बहुत खास है। सच यकीन मानिए, मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश थी कि इस फिल्म को उतने ही प्यार से प्रमोट करूं जितने प्यार से हम लोगों ने बनाया है। लेकिन मेरे शरीर के अंदर कुछ अनवांटेड मेहमान बैठे हुए हैं, उनसे वार्तालाप चल रहा है। देखते हैं किस करवट उठ बैठता है। जैसा भी होगा आपको इत्तला कर दी जाएगी। कहावत है, when life gives you lemon, you make a lemonade। बोलने में अच्छा लगता है, पर सच में जब जिंदगी आपके हाथ में नींबू थमाती है ना, तो शिकंजी बनाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। लेकिन आपके पास और चॉइस भी क्या है पॉजिटिव रहने के अलावा? इन हालात में नींबू की शिकंजी बना पाते हैं कि नहीं बना पाते हैं, ये आप पर है। और हम सब ने इस फिल्म को उसी पॉजिटिविटी के साथ बनाया है। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये फिल्म आपको सिखाएगी, हंसाएगी, रुलाएगी, फिर हंसाएगी शायद। Enjoy the trailer and be kind to each other and watch the film. And yes, wait for me.